Hi everybody, it's Mark again, and today I'm going to repair this tool to get the compression washers off the cuckoo clocks, the one that takes the special tool, the compression eclipse. You can buy the special tool for about $45 or so, or you can purchase something like this at True Value or Harbor Freight for about $5, $6, $7 and modify it. The spring came off while I was out visiting my friend. I put that on, and the tips are broken. So I'm going to grind this off so it fits inside one of these compression washers. And let me see if I can modify this phone a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Maybe you can see. And this gets hot, so I have a bowl of water to cool it off. I'll work on the other side now. It has to be really thin. To fit within that washer. Cooling it off. See, it's fairly thin now. And I'm going to see if it'll fit within the washer, which it does. But now I have to put a notch on the outside. That way, when you squeeze the handle, it grabs the washer. And if I had a driller's handsaw, that might work better than this Dremel tool, but I don't. I have a handsaw, but I bought these Dremel tools and that's what I'm going to use. I have somewhat of a notch, and now I'm going to test it. And these compression washers, typically when you work on a movement, they're flat against the plate, and you might have to take a hammer or something and hit on it to get the washer away from the plate, and then test your tool to see if it works. And there we go. Now put it back on, and when I put it back on, this is this movement is a movement that I use to do videos all the time. It's just a spare movement, and so this washer is loose. You would make sure that you take a pair of pliers and make it tight again, but you don't want the washer all the way up against the plate, because if you do, when you go to test these levers, this lever should fall automatically when you lift it up. And if it's too close to the plate, see, that's what happens. So you have to take it away from the plate a little bit so it can drop automatically on its own. I'm going to tighten this washer up a little bit. That way it's there when I go to do another video. And these things are really fragile. So you can break them. They need to be flat. Both of the ends of this washer need to meet each other. They have to be in a line with each other. And if they're not, when you go to put this washer on, it's not going to work properly. So make sure that you ensure that it's parallel with each other. There we go. Now the washer's got a little bit of space between it and the movement, and as you can see, this lift lock lever falls automatically. Anyway, you could buy one of these tools. You can find them on eBay, or you can make one of those tools. It's totally up to you what you want to do. I hope this video helps you, and may God bless each and every one of you.